Hello guys, welcome to the fifth video of free Fiverr series with Aisha Khalid on Ash Knows. In this video, we will see how you can create a gig on Fiverr in 6 simple steps. So, let's start the video. First of all, what we'll do is we will sign into our Fiverr account, click continue and you will be in your Fiverr account. Alright, you have logged in and this is your main page. First of all, you will have to make sure that you are a seller on Fiverr. When you newly create your Fiverr account, you are a buyer by default. So you have to convert your buyer account to a seller account. We discussed all those steps in the last video. So if you have missed that video, you can watch it. The link is in description. But if you're already a seller on Fiverr and you want to create a gig, what you will do is you will click this gig button here. When you will click this button, you will see this page in front of you. So click this create a new gig, this green button here, and you will move towards the page of creating a gig. Alright, here are 6 sections here. You can see overview, pricing, description and FAQs, requirements, gallery and publish. These are the 6 steps that we'll have to perform for creating a gig on Fiverr. Alright, another important uh, thing for you here is we will not go into details that how to use the right tactics to create an engaging gig on Fiverr so that you can generate sales. We will discuss all those strategies, all those tricks and tips in the next video. For now, we will just focus on the basic steps to create a gig. In the next video, we will discuss all the strategies that you should implement, all the research that you should do before creating a gig, right? For now, we are just concerned about the basics, so we'll see the basic steps that we need to do. So here's the gig title, the category and the search tag. This is the first section, the overview section. So I will write the gig title here. For example, I want to create whiteboard videos, so I will write I'll make whiteboard videos for you. As simple as that. The next thing is category. Fiverr is already suggesting you some categories that are related to the service you're offering. So we'll see which category suits best our services. I think this goes best video and animation, and the subcategories whiteboard and animated explainers. Make sure to select the right subcategory because it narrows down the competition and it increases your chances of ranking high in Fiverr search results so that buyers can buy your gig. Always select the right category because this is very important thing. The next thing is gig metadata. Select the animation type, like which kind of video we'll make. We'll make whiteboard videos. Select the file format. I guess it will be MOV format. For example, I will create it MOV format, right? So the next thing is tags. Tags are basically the words that buyers usually enter for getting a particular service. For example, if a buyer logs into Fiverr and he wants to get whiteboard videos, the service of whiteboard videos, so he'll enter whiteboard videos, right? We will enter all those kind of keywords in our tag section so that when a buyer can enter such keyword, our gig rank higher and buyer can see that gig. For example, the relevant key tags for my service here would be whiteboard video, explainer video, don't do keyword stuffing, add different kind of tags so that your gig can rank for different keywords, and HD video and okay, these are the tags, for example, that I've selected. I have not done any research that which tags would be the best. For now, I'm just focusing on the basics because we will see in the next video that how you can select tags, how you can do the entire research, etc. But for now, just we are good with it. Alright, once you have done this, click save and continue, and then we'll move to the next section, which is pricing. Okay, we are now in the next section, the pricing section. Here you can see there are three packages you can offer to your clients, to your buyers. You can name those packages here. You can enter the details about those packages. For example, I guess this the name would be bronze, silver, write different names so that the buyer can distinguish between different packages that we're offering. Write the details. For example, I will create one video of 1 minute, right? And then here I'll create one video of 3 minutes, one video of 5 minutes with voiceover, because this is premium, so let's add it. Okay, here you can write like you can write all the description that are related to your gig here, but you have limited word count here. You cannot add all the things. Just be very specific and very concise while what you are writing here. Select the delivery time. I will select 2 days delivery here. I'll here select 3 days, and here I'll select 4 days delivery, right? Depending on this on the time period that you will take for completing your order. The next thing is revision. Select how many revisions you will offer to the buyer. Some sellers offer unlimited revisions for their work, and then they get frustrated when buyers ask them to revise their work again and again. So I don't think offering unlimited revisions is a good idea. Just be realistic with what you're offering. Go for the number of revisions that you can handle. I always offer 1 to 2 revisions, no, nothing more than that. So I will go with 1 revision here, 2 revisions, and here will, all right, 3. I never offer more than 2 revisions, but let's write it here for now. Okay, will you offer voiceover recording in the basic package? No, I'm not offering voiceover recording. I'm not offering voiceover in the standard. I'm offering in the premium package. So I'll click premium here. What will be the time period for your video? It will be, for example, 60 seconds, 120 seconds here. Just the rough draft for you here. For example, here I'll 300 seconds. Script writing, will you write the script yourself? No, I'll not write the script myself. I'll ask buyer to provide me the script. Here I can write the script. I can, like, whatever goes with your needs, you can check mark those options here. If you will add the background music or not, if you'll add the image or not, and the words included and everything. Now the main thing is pricing. You can set price for your gig. For example, I'll set $5 here, $10 here, and $15 here. See, you have 3 packages: the basic, standard, and premium. When you are setting the price for your packages, make sure that the basic package will have the lowest price, then standard package, and then premium package. Don't go in the reverse order that premium package will have the lowest price and then standard and then basic. It doesn't go that way, right? The basic package will have the lowest price, and then the premium will have the highest price. And now you can see here the gig extras. The gig extras are the additional services that you can offer with your gig for making some extra money. For example, if you are offering 300 words in your, like, 1 minute video in your main package, and if buyer wants to have a video of 5 minutes, so you can add here that you will charge this much of extra amount for adding this much of extra words. Like the extra services that you can offer, you can select all those services here. For example, I've selected this for now. Extra fast delivery, if you can deliver in 1 day for an extra $15 or whatever you want to go, you can select the option here, right? Once you have done with the pricing section, click save and continue. Additional words for all your packages. Okay, they're asking me to fill all the sections that I've selected. They're asking me to fill all these 3 sections here. Let's do it now. I don't want to make this video a lengthier one, so I'm just doing things quickly here. Okay, I have made some settings here, and I guess we are good to go now. Let me check the delivery time that I've set there. Okay, I have checked mark the words included option, so they're asking me to check mark this option here too, like 50 words here, and then all right, I have set the word limit here. Sorry for the delay. Okay, this is done now. Click save and continue. All right, now we are in the next section, which is description and FAQs. The description section is very important because it provides you the facility to enter all the details that you want buyer to know about you. So this is also a very important section. We will create another video where I will share some templates with you that how you can write a good and engaging description for your gig. For now, just write some words here like, hey, are you looking for a professional whiteboard video for your business? If yes, I'm here to create a an engaging whiteboard video defining your business product. Okay, for now I have just edited all these two lines. We will write a professional description and I'll share the template with you in the later videos. And now if you want to add some questions with that you think that buyer should know about your gig, you can add those questions here. Like you can write, can you do voice, like do you offer voiceover services too? You can write the answer as well here. Yes, I offer voiceover services in the premium package. For more details, you may message me in the inbox. Right, and then you can add that question here and then click save and continue. Now we're in the next section, the requirements section. Here you can enter the requirements. If you need some particular document, some particular file for working on your order, you can mention that requirement here and then can mention if that requirement is mandatory for your service or not. If that is mandatory, check mark this box, and if it's not mandatory, you can uncheck this box here like this. but I always make the requirements mandatory because that gives you an idea that what a buyer want from your order. So you can write, please provide the script for the whiteboard video, and then you can select the option that the text would be free text, or if you can provide multiple options to the buyer to select, or if you can ask him to attach some file, whatever goes best with your needs, you can select that option here. I will go with the free text here, and then I'll click add. The requirement is added, and then I'll click save and continue. All right, we have done the four sections here, and now we are in the fifth section, the gallery section. See, whenever your gig is displayed in Fiverr, it shows your title and your picture. So most of the buyers buy your gig by just seeing your gig picture or the video that you add in your gig. So this is very important. Creating a compelling and engaging description for your video or picture for your gig is very important. We will discuss this topic in the later videos. For now, I'm just adding some simple picture. Like you can add a picture. This is the video column. I'll go with the photos one. Photos. I'll add a photo that is related to my gig. You can create some photo here. Okay, I just created a picture for my own account. I can add those pictures here. It is not related to this gig, but I'm just showing you as a sample. You can add the picture here, and then you can click save and continue. Okay, they're asking me to add a video too because I'm providing video services. Let's add this video, for example. Okay, I guess this will take pretty long. Let's add another one. Alright, I have added this video because this was a shorter one just to save time because the video is getting much lengthier. Okay, click save and continue, and then we are in the last section, the public section. This is the easiest and the quickest section of creating a gig. Just publish your gig here. Click this button, the publish button, and then your gig will go live. It will be available for buyers. They can place orders, they can buy your services. So this is the process that you can use to create a gig on Fiverr. We will discuss each and every section, like the tags section, the description, the gallery section, each in detail in the next videos. For now, these are the steps that you have to perform for creating a gig on Fiverr. Let me show you how this gig looks when you check your profile. So this is your gig that you have created. It will show like this. You can you can open this gig to see how it looks to the buyer. See, here are the title, picture, the description, and the details about your packages, the tags, and the FAQs. Alright, so these were the steps that you have to perform for creating a gig on Fiverr. Hope you found this video helpful. Sorry for making this much lengthier video because the topic was like that. I can do anything. Alright, in the next video we will see how you can do all the research for creating a gig that sells, that buyers actually place orders on. So stay tuned. We will discuss all the strategies in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.